Yo, what's up? I got a free update for my Drift presets volume 1. This extends all the variations to 8, giving us 400 sounds. This to complement the push new ability to change the variation directly from the unit. Let's check it out. Nice, so this works both in control mode and in standalone. You can go into the categories, load whichever sound you want, and then you can click layout. It will show you the 8 different macro variations or the sound variations right here on the top row. You can of course continue in changing the macros for a different sound or automate them. And you have a bunch of different arpeggios and chord repeaters. There's bass sounds. All presets are MP enabled, so they have both pressure and slide. Check another bass sound. Another bass sound. Some special effects. Here's another one. We have some keys. Let's go up an octave. Layout. Let's see the variation. More keys. You can also change variation from the big knob. Some lead sounds. Let's go to variations. More leads. Up higher octave. More lead sounds. We got some pads. Let's go down an octave. Here's another pad sound. Very expressive instruments. And we got some Plucks sounds. Let's go up. Maybe I'll change the scale to pentatonic. Besides pressure, slide, and pitch bend, for more expression, you can also switch it to a mod wheel, and each patch also have some mod wheel expression. If you already got the pack, check out your email or check out your Gumroad. You can download this for free to update. If you still don't have the pack, highly recommend checking it out. Collection of 15 bass sounds with 8 variations each, giving us 400 different sounds that are quickly accessible from the push in standalone mode or in control mode, or just using them for your productions with Ableton. I'll catch you next time.
Yeah.